Let's get in a voice on this, an external voice on this as well. Vinkesh Gulati, Chairman at FADA Academy and Research, joins in. Mr. Gulati, good having you. Thanks for joining in. Do you find, or let's say 3 months ago, if you were told that the inventory levels on the SUVs would be about 2 months or 70 days, would that have caught you by surprise, or was this anticipated?
Obviously, anytime it is a 2 months inventory, it will be caught by surprise because it's not a regular affair. So like Tushar very rightly said, a pre-festive preparation of 60 days or 70 days is what a dealer wants to have and a manufacturer wants us to have. And we are happy to have at that time. But if you talk about N minus 3 months or 4 months, that's not what we look at any period of any year. So practically it starts, what happens is like 30-35 days is what inventory we look at. And if the festive is in October, so July is around 5-10% take, and then August 20%, and September reaches the level when we say that it's 60 days inventory. So it slowly crops up in 3 months time, which this period has come up very early. We were expecting not such high inventory. We were expecting that because of not having marriage season this May and June, it will be a challenging thing, and inventory will go up to around 40-45 days. But coming at 70 odd days was not an expectation, and more than a surprise, it's a very big challenge and a concern for dealer fraternity.
Vinkesh, hi, good morning. Tamanna here. Just trying to understand if you expect this price war to extend. We've seen two players and the expectation is it goes into the compact SUV. Do you see that happening? What is your sense?
I'll not say this is a price war. Obviously, this is a reaction to one UP hybrid thing also. This is a reaction to some models which were high in stock in dealers inventory and not selling. So if you see XUV 700, even till today, AX5 is in shortage. The customers are waiting, but AX7 is in demand. So somewhere the price matching was not there, which Mahindra has done for. Even Tata has done only for two products, which are very low in demand at theirs, and dealers are having even more than 70 days inventory of those specific models. But yes, I feel this is the reaction of high inventory what OEMs have started now giving. So by even in August, I feel you'll see everybody coming into giving schemes to liquidate stocks, because such high stocks carrying for a month or two is still, I'll not say viable, it's still manageable by a dealer, but it goes up to 4 months because this started from May. May was bad, we reached around 50-55. June and we reached around 70. So this is already started a month back, and a dealer can't continue carrying such high stocks at such wafer thin margins what we have when we sell the vehicles. So automatically to liquidate this stock, all the OEMs will have to come down to the market and increase these schemes and all that. These two was price cut, but you will see major schemes coming in, major discounts coming in from the manufacturer and the dealers too, to liquidate these exact variant which is more in stock as comparative to other variants.
Mr. Gulati, Tushar here. Good morning.
So, Tushar, good morning.
Good morning, sir. So, what is the way out of it? We are seeing the inventory build up. Do you think the OEMs should reconsider their production schedules so to bring down the inventory levels at the dealership level? We are seeing the mismatch already. I mean, dispatches were higher by about 2% last month, but retails were down by about 8%. So 10% gap in just 1 month. So do you think, do car makers need to realign their production cycles, so to speak?
So Tushar, basically it's law of economy. If the demand is not there, you will have to reduce the supply. But if a manufacturer thinks by reducing the supply, the cost, or you can see the efficiency loss what they are having is not matching, they continue to not reduce the supplies and push the inventory towards dealer. And when such a situation happens, they have to again support us from somewhere, interest or rotation of funds, and then in turn even discounts to the customer. I feel the best thing to do is, as per demand, the supply should be retuned. I don't know why the manufacturers are not working in that. and practically, like you said, the high base. If you remember, the last year we were doing around 3.2 to 3.5 production. This year, that production capacity has increased to 4 lakh and more. There are many manufacturers who are still increasing their production. I feel the only way out, because still we are sitting in July and the festive is in October, we're talking of 3 months more going. Unless and until OEMs reduce their production level or the capacity, or they go out so much so that the demand increases like festive for the coming 2 months, which I doubt will happen. These are the only two ways. They have to improve demand or reduce supplies, or else what will happen? The supply chain at the dealers will choke, and in turn, it will affect the market.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.